Hello and welcome to, well, the actual sunny sort of side of Amsterdam. I'm over in Amsterdam for one day only. We came over on a ferry. If you want to see the actual trip and the journey, check out our Just Out Adventures YouTube channel, which is where we now film all of our stuff on YouTube, because we are doing a lot less photography and we're doing a lot more adventures and just traveling and things. We are at an amazing little photographic avenue. We're with Sergio. Sergio came to Faroe Islands with us and he decided to pick us up. We arranged with him that we'd come off the ferry first thing this morning. He was going to pick us up and take us for a little bit of a place to come and look at. And I'm going to take a few photographs of this beautiful, beautiful Blossom Avenue. It's a real stunner and it's got a beautiful look about it at this time of year where the blue skies and the blossoms are all out. This is not quite in the Amsterdam. There's actually a big place in Amsterdam where you can see all these cherry blossoms, or if they are cherry blossoms, the blossom trees anyway, but this is a lot less quieter. There's a lot less people around. So let's get a few photographs on the camera. The wide angle lens is giving me a really good look, but I think if you can compress it as well with a longer lens, a bit like when we were in Ireland, we were taking photographs of the dark edges, compress the image and zoom it in, you get all the tree trunks in and that nice little glow. But we have got people to contend with, and I think it's well worth a few photographs while we're here. Come over the other side of the road now. There's our blossoms on the other side there, and this side we've got pink blossoms. So we've got some newer trees with pink blossoms on this side. Now they're a lot earlier growth and newer growth than that side, so I'm guessing once these are growing up these quite good. So I'll drop you a pin to where this is, just in case you're ever over in Amsterdam and nearby. This is definitely worth coming with a camera, because you get this early morning or late evening and the light right, maybe even a little bit of hazy mist. I think these blossoms would look fantastic, and getting no people in them, it would be a really, really smart photograph. Sergio's taking loads and loads with his long lens. Again, I'm very out of my photography these days, which is why I'm on the Just Out Adventures channel rather than the photography one, because I've not got the photography mojo as I used to do. But it's still nice being here and seeing it and thinking on how you could make this better, especially this direction here. It's really clean because you've got the reeds behind it, so if the car wasn't parked there, it would be a smart photo. So we've changed location now, and part of our little half a dozen hours in Amsterdam that Sergio's doing with us is he's brought us to these houses. So we've just left the cherry blossom trees and taken a bit of a drive. And we come down to here. This is a lovely little lake with some beautiful, beautiful little houses on it. And when you get the calm reflections, you can actually stand down there on this inland beach. There's actually a beach in the middle of Amsterdam. How cool is this? It's a sandy beach leading across, and you can go swimming here and all sorts. But you can come down here and you can actually get a beautiful reflection picture with these lovely, lovely houses. And these remind me of when we were actually in the actual town of Amsterdam. We did that Christmas, didn't we? We came over and took photographs in the city itself, and we had the really tall buildings in there by the canal. This is very similar to them. I mean, they're probably very, very expensive to be buying one of those, but I bet they look absolutely fantastic with the right light conditions. Now, the conditions today is beautiful for sightseeing and being out and then having an adventure, which is, like I say, get onto the old Just Out Adventures channel. We're doing all the video for the day, the arriving and the going home and everything. But for taking photographs, the conditions are awful. There's a bit of a breeze, so there's no reflection, and the sky is bright blue, piercing sun. Look at it up there. It's so bright and clear that you can't see anything in the sky whatsoever. So I'll take a couple of photographs just to say that I've been here and seen them. and I will drop a pin on what 3 words to where it is. So if you're driving around, you're over in this area and you think, oh, where can I go, what can I do, come and have a look at these. And on the drive over as well, Sergio pointed out some buildings that look like Sphinx buildings. Again, would be brilliant for a photograph if you get the opportunity to stop there. And again, if I can get the location for it, I'll drop a pin for you just so you can see it and put it on your map of places to go. But yeah, as this, like I say, this channel is gradually going to be fading away with them doing less photography and more adventure stuff now, this is going to be one of the rare occasions of finding a little bit of a gem. So mark this one on your map. Sergio's just showing us the pictures of the Sphinx houses. Wicked.
The other houses on the
the ones we saw as we were driving along. Yeah. So I'll get a pin for these, and I'll also borrow these 2 pictures off him. So I'll pop them up to show you what you could have if you get the conditions just right. So it's like anything when you live in these areas. That's nice. Is that sunset?
Sunset.
Yeah, sunset, and there's light shining on them and everything. So it's really, really nice. So yeah, I'll put a couple of pictures of Sergio's up. So look what you could have had. So, as if by the magic of fancy cameras and everything, we are back in our ship, our boat, or our vessel, whatever you want to call it. This is our little cabin. This is where we came from. We've got single bed down here, and we've got another bed here that you pull down, which I had last night. Top bunkers, yay! It's a very small cabin, but we paid £100 for this little short trip over to Amsterdam. We're going to have our own little private toilet as well. That's all we needed. So this is a very short video just to say hi. I'm still around. I'm still doing what we're doing, but not doing it with cameras very often. We have now got other cameras and things like this one, which films the Just Out Adventures stuff. So do get over to the Just Out Adventures channel because I'm still on adventures. I'm still doing stuff. Dory Explorers, booking all sorts of holidays and trips to all over the world and different things.
Iceland is on you, I'm sorry.
Iceland's on me, yeah. We're going to Iceland in a couple of weeks' time, so there will be some more photography from Iceland. I've got a group going over there, and we're going over in October, so there's 2 for you to keep in mind, keep you going. But the general photography, over the years, I've done so much, and I just think I've lost that little bit of a mojo, and I think I am. I think I'm just on a break of photography, and this channel is still around. It's going to be staying. It's just in a different sense. It's going to be a little bit more sporadic, and yeah, hopefully some of you guys will come and join us on the adventures, and then we're just out doing stuff, having an adventure. I have a camera with me, but I don't necessarily tend to use it. So yeah, I'm going to check out now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a very short video, a little bit of blossom trees, some lovely little houses. You've got some pins. If you're ever in the country and you're ever driving through,
Go, because it's well worth it.
You've got some hidden secrets. Yeah. Ta-da. See you soon. Bye-bye.